parts of the bridge are moving. I guess they're panels to do something.
Almost before its last stones were laid. So this was useless before it was even used.
Oh, it began finally completed in the Civil War.
How much that big boat?
Fort Wadsworth. And that's the Verrazzano. This protected the Narrows, though. It was supposed to protect. And these look like old either not a train, but anything with train wheels. Probably transported cannons and artillery and cannonballs through that door. Look, the tracks. It used to probably bring cannonballs, maybe artillery or whatever else. Access is limited to tours. You need to go on a tour, it says, with a ranger. That's inside. Oh, you can see a cannon in there. There's a cannon. Yeah, you saw it. Can't get in bed. Yeah, there's a definite limited access than it used to be. There's some old structure and nature's reclaiming it. Look at the roof.
They open it?
No, it says limited access for tours. You gotta go around to get down there, probably.
Is that a firehouse?
No. I mean, we could try to go through there. Torpedo Wharf. Wharf ahead was built in 1850, was where torpedo mines were loaded onto mine-laying vessels for placement in New York Harbor beginning in the 1890s. Since the torpedoes and cables are not permanently wired in place, they were transferred to tracks stored by if needed. If this harbor became endangered, the torpedoes and cables would have returned to this wharf. No enemy ships threatened New York during the Spanish-American War or World War I. This defensive was never battle-tested. Pretty cool. See if we could see through here for this battle, this wharf, Torpedo Wharf, also known as. I'm assuming that's it, that structure over there. See them stairs, defunct building. It's like a bunker or something. I don't know if you should go in there. Wait, there might be big spiders. I'm gonna go in. I'll go in first.
I'm gonna go.
Alright, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Watch your step. I gotta put a light up. Whoa. It says you are about to die on the wall. I wish I had a better flashlight. There's nothing really in here.
Wait, where? Where you said you're about to die?
Somebody spray painted on the wall, yeah. But you get all muddy and gross. Let's go, babe.
No, can I say?
You come in. You really want to be brave?
Mm.
All right, come on. This is really cool, right there.
You were.
They spelled die wrong. It looks like AIE, but I'm not surprised.
It's so. What did you mean?
All right, let's go.
Okay, that's a really dark place. I don't want to go there. Mom,
All right.
it's so scary.
That's okay.
You're about to die. Mommy,
We are about to die. Salute you. You up there?
Not bad.
Kill. Can't open this door. Same thing. And there's probably stuff here. Hello. What is this?
Ancient building.
Fire control tower. Cool, right? Somebody's in there, harps. They're smoking.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. See the fort there? There's a beautiful bridge. We were down there. Cool. It's a nice place to have a picnic or something.
Let's get to the...
Mom, let's go wait.
There's nothing there.
Want to take a picture of them? With your thing? This is the overlook of the fort that we were looking at down below. It is one of the oldest military installations in the United States of America.
Let's take a picture with the beautiful bridge in the background.
This coin?
I found a coin in Sebi.
Oh, cool. It's a zinkin.
Zinkin. It's Sebi.
Oh, okay. It's probably from the beach. Oh, I guess there are goats here. There's a random goat here. It's eating the... They're like natural hedge trimmers. Then you have the ranger trimming the trees. Oh, is there another one here?
It's black.
Here's another goat.
Hi, goat. Hi, goat. Everything's going from a giant fence. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
We're overlooking New York Harbor. That's the Verrazzano Bridge connecting to Brooklyn. And on the left, you can see the World Trade Center, downtown Manhattan skyline. Hey, goat. That's like half chocolate, half regular milk goat.
It's up there.
There's like a whole family here.
Oh, we also got black and there's a black and white goat.
That's the cool one.
Oh, and also that brown one right there. Oh, look at the baby goat.
Ooh. They're dueling.
They're dueling.
Why are they doing that? Oh, wait, now they'll say because they're hugging. Wait, no, now it looks like they're cleaning this out.
There's one over there too. Hey, look at this. Cool looking cannon.